Welcome to Jahanstuddy, the ultimate destination for engineering enthusiasts. If you have a passion for all things related to engineering or are simply curious about the fascinating world of technology, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with a comprehensive study base that will expand your knowledge and open doors to new possibilities. At Jahanstuddy, we believe that learning should be a continuous journey, and we strive to make it an exciting and engaging experience for our viewers. Whether you're a student looking to enhance your understanding of core engineering concepts or a professional seeking to stay updated with the latest advancements in the field, our channel offers a wealth of valuable content to cater to your needs. By subscribing to Jahanstuddy, you gain access to a diverse range of educational videos, tutorials, lectures, and practical demonstrations that cover various engineering disciplines. From mechanical and electrical engineering, electronics, and computer science, we aim to provide a holistic learning experience that encompasses the entire spectrum of engineering. Our team of experienced instructors and industry experts are dedicated to delivering high-quality content that is both informative and engaging. We understand that engineering can sometimes be a challenging subject, but we break down complex concepts into easily digestible explanations, ensuring that you grasp the fundamentals effectively. By exploring our channel, you'll discover new dimensions of engineering that you may have never encountered before. We take pride in bringing you the latest developments, emerging technologies, and innovative ideas from the ever-evolving world of engineering. Our aim is to inspire you to think critically, explore new ideas, and ignite your passion for engineering. So, whether you're an aspiring engineer, a seasoned professional, or simply someone who wants to gain insights into the fascinating field of engineering, we invite you to subscribe to Jahanstuddy. Join our community of like-minded individuals, embark on a journey of knowledge, and unlock the boundless possibilities that engineering has to offer. Get ready to broaden your horizons and be part of an exciting world where innovation knows no bounds.